Masingakwazanga ukuqualify sibe number 1 no number 2 egroupini, but masizokwazi ukuba i-best number 3 sengakwazi ukuqualify for i-last 32 because once bathatha bonke number 1 bo number 2 awonke lama group lawo u12, then kuzoba khona ama team awu24, then sekusele 8, then ila sekuthathwa khona o number 3. So o number 3 bazokhetha kanjani? Boqala bekhethe becheck ama points, ama goals scored, i-goal difference, then bese kuba ilokhu nje i-discipline. I-discipline bafethu thina vele siyaleka nge-discipline because manje sesinama red card awu2. Sanibona bafethu, igama lami nguSanele aka uDonsa Wenkabi. So bafethu, we are back with another video. Namhlanje sizokhuluma nge-World Cup. Sizopredictor, sizosho ukuthi which is the best starting 11 esicabanga ukuthi uHugo Broos angayisebenzisa uma esezodlala neCZH. Because siyazi ukuthi the opening game yethu basithela ngehlazo, sashawa nje hayi kamnandi. So we have to win the 2 remaining games in order to go to the last 32. So bafethu niyazi ukuthi angihambi ngedwa, ngihamba noSibuda. Sibuda kambanyana?
Moja kanjani?
Ngikrend. So before we get into the video bafethu, please don't forget to follow us on YouTube at Starting 11 XI. So bafethu, please subscribe, follow us. Sibuda, let's get into the game. So wayifaka ke i-starting 11 uHugo Broos yakhe nama defenders awu5 nama defensive midfielder awu3. So zakhala yabo, most azokubheka out of all the teams akhona la eseAfrica, we the only one esadlala umbhedo. Siyazi vele akhona amanye adliwe heavy, but ithina nje sodwa esadlala ibhola elingabonakala ukuthi liphi, elingena identity, singazi ukuthi kwenzakalani la. So sibuka cela sinike starting 11 obona kahle ukuthi uHugo Broos mengadlala labantu laba engakwazi ukusecure lo 6 point osene.
Nginibingelele ma followers ethu, babukeli ma video ezu, ma subscribers ethu. Sibuda lebuda sekakhona in the house, sibongithi bakumdali usasigcinile. Sihlale phezukwayo bafana second game ku World Cup. Yeah, noma ngingekho happy mina ngendlela kuselectwa ngayo, kodwa ngicabanga ukuthi maye ngenza ama changes afake nje noma ama defender ajwayelekile eswaziyo.
Obani lapho?
From goalkeeper, okay, Williams priority yakhe, I know ukuthi uzomfaka, right? Laphana kwi left back ngifake uModiba. Yeah, Modiba uquick, umuntu futhi onalo nethuba lokukora i-set piece. Yeah, uya overlapper, kodwa kunga overlap phela kakhulu, abuya azomaka sibe nomdawu ngale kwi right back. Umdawu ke siyamazi udumile, kuhlaba ngeslide ekugcwele intokoza, overlap futhi ayiphambili akhiphe lawo ma cross, u right for layer position uma sifuna iwin kusasa. Then central backs, okay, Mbokazi priority number 1, yakwazi ukumaka inkunzi, ifit, inamandla, yakwazi ukushaya ama long ball futhi, yakwazi futhi inayo i-cashling technique lokho Mbokazi. Then centrally ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi uzombuyisa uSibisi, okay, maningi amathuthi ambuyisa uSibisi ibhodlela as a central back. Okay, ngoba uthime neteam yakhe, i-teammate yakhe yakudala, ngiyathemba ukuthi ukhona umnyakazo right azowenza kwi backline singene esiswini sami. Ngicabanga ukuthi sise si right, Umbatha, Jayden Adams, uMkwena. Yabona leyo 3 iyamaka uMkwena, iyamaka Adams, akhipha ama passes, akulula ukuthatha ibhola ku Jayden einyaweni. Yabo, and uMkwena unane cashling technique. Uma ngabe nje athola ithuba lokuthi athi kuya phambili mhlambe phambi ko D-line laphayana, ukushaya lamagoli efana nalela lishaya ewina i-CAF Champions League. Yeah, top notch ke uJayden na last game wayedlala ibhola limnandi. Mbatha right futhi lapha na kwi-middle siyakwazi ukuthi simake, siyakwazi ukuthi sipass, sikwazi uku-attack. Bese singena lapha yana ke phambili ama-winger siyawadinga kakhulu ngoba last time ama-winger ayengekho. Siyamdinga uMfukeng as i-winger. Siyamdinga uApollos lapha ngale. Siyasidinga ke futhi striker. Ngenxa yokuthi ngiyazi ukuthi ke makunama winger kuzoba ne customer preference ku coach wethu. Okay, akangene uFoster as i striker sethu cause lesesinye ngicabanga ukuthi nanso i-combo engasebenzela if striker sethu score. Hayi ke nangu umkwena awuzokwazi ukuthi akhahlele epaleni makuvuma nombokazi akhuphuke. Uma sithola ama set piece sinomkwena sinomboka ukukhahlela noModiba naye angayithola ichance uma ukuthi laba sebewakhahlele sebewamisile ayithola ichance yokuthi kushawa ama set piece. Canga ukuthi naye ikhombe engasebenzela against iSizech.
Okay bafethu, mina this is my starting 11 engicabanga ukuthi singasebenzela against iSizech. So this is a must win game bafethu. So mina ngingadlala i4-4-3 noma ngishaye i-hybrid 4-2-3-1. So i-attacking orientated i-formation yami. So epalini obvious bread and butter Ronwen Williams. Leadership, experience, uyakwazi ukomanda izinto laphana ku-backline yakhe. So Williams nje mfethu angixoxisi. I-right back Khuliso Mudau, most reliable right back esinayo la in the country, in the continent. Uyakwazi uku-attack as a full back, uyakwazi futhi ukufika nama crosses lapha phambili asize kwi-attack yabo. Ama center back mina ngingaphera uTLB uMbokazi ngimphere shino Okon bafethu usemncane, u-athletic yabo, u-strong nasemoyeni, ucisha afane noNdamani yabo. So then TLB bafethu ayidingi ngisho nokuchaza nje mfethu. TLB u-strong, uyakwazi nokutshela even uModiba ukuthi ahambe angabuyi uzokwazi ukucover yabo. Ngiyakhumbula nje second half uModiba wayesele phambili engasabuyi yabo. Then left back Diba Modiba ama set pieces, uversatile, uyakwazi nokuhlephula lapha nalapha yabo. Experience. Then isisu sami box to box central midfielder ngizofuna kube uDebs Tebogo Mokoena, energetic and ugood futhi njengoba beseshilo sibuda ugood kuma set pieces yabo. Then uAdams uyakwazi ushaya defense, defensive cover na uyasiza na ku transition. Adams or ngifaka uMbatha one and the same thing, bayakwazi uku-assist bobabili, but mina my preference ngingaqala ngo-Adams yabo. Then bese ukuthi kuhamba isikhathi then singamshintsha ngifaka uMbatha. Then i-attacking midfielder ngingafaka umfana omncane 2K, inkosi yama 2000, president of 2K zangithi. Yeah, president wama 2000 ngamfaka lo mjita uyakwazi ukudribula like bethu una 21 lo mjita lo. eMorocco bekukhona umuntu ona 18, he was running that midfield against Brazil yabo. He was running like it's nobody business. So why would singakwazi ukumfaka uMfukeng? He is capable, ufike lapha ngemerits, hayi ukuthi ulokhunjiwe bese simzwela nje. Uyalazi ibhola urile mfethu yabo. Ngakwazi ukusinika something. Then strike, hayi mina ngingafaka offside specialist, umtshele nje ukuthi hayi mozoba offside uzophuma and angeke uphinde udlale yabo. Awumele afunde mfethu uReynolds ukuzithima nani yabo. But uFoster cha, Foster is lazy, akakwazi ukupressa. Nah, it's right. then i-left wing ngadlala ngoMoremi. Moremi mfethu uyakwazi ukushaya amaphasi ane-direction, engakwazi ukustretcha i-defense yezi-check yabo. I-backline yabo ngakwazi ukuyinyakazisa. Then ngale ilokhunja i-right wing ngafaka u-10-111 amaphoyisa. Creative loya muntu u-inform, akakhathali uhamba ngepace eyodwa from umdlalo oqala uze uyoshona le. So bafethu lapho ke singakwazi ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi siqualify for i-last 32. Remember i-last 32 bafethu, before remember i-last 32 angithi kumele siqualify kuzothatha unumber 1 no-number 2. Angithi njengamanje kule World Cup kuna 48 teams yabo. So kule 48 teams kuzothatha unumber 1 no-number 2 emagroupini. Angithi amagroup awu-12 anama-team awu-4. So 48 lo. So kuthatha unumber 1 no-number 2 number 1 number 2 number 1 number 2 kuwo wonke lama group awu-12. Then lapho kuzowenza ama-team amangaki awu-24. Then after lokho sekuzokhethwa all the best number 3s. So noma singakwazanga ukuqualify sibe number 1 no-number 2 egroupini, but masizokwazi ukuba i-best number 3 sengakwazi ukuqualify for i-last 32, because once bathathwa bonke o-number 1 bo-number 2 awonke lama group lawo awu-12, then kuzoba khona ama-team awu-24, then sekusele 8, then ila sekuthathwa khona o-number 3. So o-number 3 bazokhethwa kanjani? Oqala bekhethe becheck ama-points, ama-goals scored, i-goal difference, then bese kuba ilokhunja i-discipline. I-discipline bafethu thina vele siyalekha nge-discipline, because manje sesinama red card awu-2 yabo, and sinayo futhi yellow card kaMkwena yabo. So bafethu then mawuthi kuyahluleka nalokho add-wa nama-FIFA rankings. So we still have a chance, but i-chance yokuthi sibe u-number 3 ukuthi sikwazi ukuwina lama games asele bafethu yabo. Then bese kuzocheckwa ukuthi i-group ne-group who are the best number 3s, then sizokwazi ukuthi siqualify. So for now bafethu sithi good luck to Bafana. Mina iscore sami kusasa I think sizowina ngo-2-1.
Yeah.
Wena ucabanga uzowina ma?
Mina ngicabanga ukuthi kuzoba i-draw 2-2.
2-1. Okay bafethu, danke siyabonga.